As of now, we have seen how to create a new table, how to insert values in a single value. I have shown a single row insert method there. Then we have seen how to display the rows, respective rows. Those are existing inside the column, inside the table name. And now we are going to see how to add more numbers. So many platforms and so many simulators are there available on the web application, where you can access these tables. One of the important website is db-fiddle.com. Website is very useful to create and perform SQL query online. So I'm using the values over here. I have created my own table naming laptop table, but irrespective of the different names, I'm using the values only so that I can work upon the respective values, right? So I'm copying from here the values and just paste it here, right? So, but make sure all these are having respective values, means like uh, each values are there. According to me, yes, it is integer. Okay, they have giving integer value. Okay, it is integer. You can delete the codes around, it will automatically convert. So let us check whether they have given the right order of the website or not. So I'm going to copy this my column name and paste it here. So you can see inventory ID. I'm going to change that name ID, and my table name is laptop table. I'm going to change the name of my table also. Second column is model ID, that's correct. Third column is ratings, that is also correct. Then price, then active on website, that's also correct. Rest are correct, and order is also correct. So I'm going to move to the extra column, extra command, and just insert the values and make sure I'm putting the semicolon at the end, so that I'm instructing to the compiler that my query is going to end over here, and execute. You can see 33 rows affected, which means I have inserted 33 more rows. Now just hit new query and write select star from your table name, that is laptop underscore table, right? Now execute. You can see earlier I had only one rows, now I am having more number of rows. So total 34. So 33 I just inserted there, and one I have created earlier. So now, as of now, I am having 34 rows in my laptop table. Similarly, you can use more tables are there. So there are another method to insert the value, like if you are having the second method, how to see that? Like cut C, I'm copying from here and just hit enter and make sure I'm having the same value, same value of my table name, that is laptop table, and same column number, right? So laptop table is having ID, model ID, ratings, price, active on website. So I'm deleting brand name, deleting all these synchronized values and pasting my column values, right? Once I have pasted the respective value, I'm creating the laptop values here. So let's say I'm having, let's see, I'm having the values over here. I just paste it over there, and paste it here and change the values. Let's say it is 15, and here I'm having, instead of L, I'm going to change the values of this column 4.5. Let's say it is 85,390, and let's say it is 1. So once I'm going to delete this column and insert into, so just after the column name, you can insert values of this one, these values. So what are the difference between these two methods? In the previous methods, we had like values and all these values there, and here we are having values of the respective column. I'm going to affect there. So you can see one row affected. Now I can check the values of my table as of now. Select star from laptop underscore table. That's it. And then execute. You can see how many rows are there. 35. Previously it was 34. Then now it is 35. One more edit. So 15 P21 4.5 85,390 is the price of my laptop, and active on website is 0. Right? This is how you can add more values in your table. Thank you.